Good morning, everyone. This is Kadam sir from Civil Department of Pravin Patel College. In last video, we have seen the chapter 1 of our subject Solid Waste Management, which is having the weightage of 6 marks. Now in this video, we will see the second chapter of our subject Solid Waste Management. And the name of the subject is Storage, Collection and Transportation of MSW, means Municipal Solid Waste. Now let us see the present scenarios in India for storage, collection and transportation of municipal solid waste. So for storage of municipal solid waste, there are no bins for storage at source. Also, there is unauthorized disposal of waste, no scientific segregation or separation of the waste, and these all are because of the lack of education and awareness. Now we will see the present scenario of collection of municipal solid waste. So there are no doorstep collection is possible in India by the local bodies. So we have to hire the private sweepers, which further do not synchronize with the transportation system by the local bodies, and due to which the waste is stored at the roadside and the street acts as a storehouse of the waste. While transporting the municipal solid waste, we are facing many problems such as no synchronization between storage and transportation. Also, waste is loaded manually, which cause threat to the worker. Also, manual loading takes place during long period of time. Also, from large bins, full waste is not recovered by the worker, and such waste causes smells and unhygienic conditions. So these are these present scenarios of storage, collection and transportation methods in India. Now let's move to the some questions which comes under your MSBT theory examination. So first question is related to the collection and transportation of solid waste. The question is, list the various types of collection and transportation equipments of solid waste. So there are many equipments, you can see by the your area or the local bodies. There are various equipments which we will use daily, such as litter bins, broom, shovel, container, hand carts, animal carts, tractor and trailers, auto vehicles, trucks, dumpers, compactor vehicles, etc. So if this question comes for 4 marks, you have to write any 8 types of these equipments, any 8 names. Now let's move to the next question. The question is, what is the current practice of solid waste management in India? So there are 2 ways in storage of solid waste: house storage and command storage. So currently there are no bins for storage of domestic, trade or institutional waste are kept at the source. Also, very few people keep personal bins for the storage of domestic, trade or institutional waste at the source. Under the situation, most of the domestic waste as well as the from shops, offices and establishment including hospital, nursing homes, hotels, restaurants, etc. come on the street or disposed of in unauthorized public or private open plots, even discharged into the drain or water bodies, resulting in clogging of drains, pollution of water resource and increase in insanitary condition in the urban area. So this is the current practice of solid waste management or storage of solid waste in India. So this question generally asks for 2 marks in your MSBT paper. Now let's move to the next question, which comes for 4 marks, that is state the various methods of storage of municipal solid waste. So how we store the municipal solid waste? So there are large number of open communal storage cities and unofficial dumps. Plastic buckets with lids with capacity between 7 to 10 liters. Also there are some plastic bins with lids with a capacity between 30 and 60 liter and equipped with handles. Also for storage there are galvanized steel or plastic bins with lids with a capacity between 50 to 70 liters. Also there are disposable plastic bags available which having a number of advantages. Also other items commonly used for the storage of waste include the cardboard boxes, kerosene cans and containers made out of truck tires. Also for storage there are depots consist of a single story building about the size of a large garage, which is not common in India. Also there are enclosures, the most common communal storage method in Asia. Enclosures can have the capacity from 1 to 10 cubic meter. Also for storage there are some fixed storage bins usually built from the concrete blocks. So these are the methods or these are the ways by which we can store the municipal solid waste. This question generally comes for 4 marks. Now let's move to the question number 4. So there are various methods of collection of municipal solid waste. So you have to explain any 2 methods of collection of municipal solid waste. So first method is curbside. So curbside collection or curbside is a service provided to the households typically in urban and suburban areas of removing household waste. House owner is responsible for placing solid waste containers at the curb. On scheduled day, the workmen come, collect and empty the container and put back at the curb. House owner is required to take back the empty container from the curb to his house. So this is the first method, curbside. Now let's see the second method, that is alley service. So in this method, the containers are placed at the alley line from which they are picked up by the workmen from refuse vehicle who deposit back the empty container. Now next method is set out setback service. In this method, the set out man go to the house, collect the container and empty them in the refuse vehicles. Another group of person return them to the house owner's yard. Next method is backyard service. So in this method, the workers with the vehicles carry a bin, wheelbarrow or sack or cloth to the yard and empty the solid waste container in it. The wheelbarrow or bin is then taken to the solid vehicle where it is emptied. So these are the 4 methods which are based on the availability of service. Now some methods are based on the mode of operation, such as hauled container method. In this method, an empty storage container known as a drop-off box is hauled to the storage site to replace the container that is full of waste, which is then hauled to the processing point, transportation or disposal site. Next method is called stationary container system. In this system, the container used for the storage of the waste remain at the point of the collection. The collection vehicle generally stop alongside the storage container and collection crew load the waste from the storage container into the collection vehicles and then transport the vehicle to the processing, transfer or disposal site. So out of these 6 methods, you have to explain any 2 methods in the 4 marks question. If it is 8 mark question, then you have to explain all the steps briefly. So that's all in this video. We will continue this chapter in the next video. Thank you very much.